How do I practice the transition from crow pose to Chaturanga push-up? This is one of our favorite transitions inside Yogi Flight School, and here are a couple of tips to make it possible for you today. Jumping back into Chaturanga from your crow pose is about several things. It's about trust, it's about speed, and it's about using your breath. So from here, you're gonna start to extend your spine forward as if you're heading towards baby cobra in your upper back. You'll take a big inhale, and as you exhale, take a powerful hook through the mouth and see if you can land your knees between your hands. So inhale, exhale, hook to come down. You can pad your practice space with a blanket or a towel to protect your knees and go a couple of times. Inhale, exhale, hook. Over time, you can start to jump a little further back. Inhale, exhale. Can I get my knees a little further? And as you become more comfortable with that, you'll eventually be able to jump the legs all the way back to your Chaturanga. But think of these things. Spinal extension, send your heart forward, take a big inhale, and hook. Powerful exhale to shoot your legs back.
If you want to learn how to do cool shit like this in your body the way you are today, then you need to grab my completely free arm balance and inversions training.
Click the link in the description and check out our signature program, Yogi Flight School.